GluHU.
In this video, we show you how to use the GluHU silicone-based adhesive for lace-front wigs and facial hair. Take the GluHU adhesive bottle. Shake it well before use. To check if the GluHU adhesive is ready, turn the closed bottle over and see if there is any residue left on the bottom of the bottle. If so, shake it again. While you are shaking the bottle, you will hear the small balls moving inside the bottle. If the bottle has been stored for longer periods of time, the balls will not be moving yet. If so, use the GluHU swizzle stick to stir it up. Now, we can see the liquid being an evenly milky color and the balls moving around easily. Dip the tip of the GluHU brush into the GluHU adhesive. It only needs a little and should not drip. Important is to place the GluHU brush underneath the lace, moving it from side to side. We want to apply the GluHU adhesive on the skin and on the lace at the same time. When you feel the applied area becomes a little bit sticky, the glue is ready. There's no need to hurry because the GluHU adhesive only finalizes and dries when you press the lace firmly onto the skin. Use the GluHU fork comb to gently press the lace onto the skin. Then, use the GluHU dabber or your fingertip to press firmly the lace further onto the skin. Repeat this process on the desired areas where you want the lace to be firmly glued on. If there is still any lace not properly glued on, take the GluHU fork comb, lift up the lace gently, and apply a little more GluHU adhesive onto the skin and lace. Use the GluHU fork comb and the GluHU dabber to press down the lace. Repeat this process until it does not feel sticky anymore and the lace seamlessly blends into the skin. The GluHU silicone-based adhesive system has been developed to make any wig or facial hair application an easy, reliable, and clean process.
GluHU.